This ANEDER Frying Pan with Lid Skillet is like a trusty sidekick in your kitchen. It's a 10-inch wok pan. And it's great for many things. You can stir-fry veggies, make fluffy scrambled eggs, and even try your hand at a simple sauce. The non-stick surface is a real bonus because food doesn't stick easily. Cleaning up is also a breeze, which saves you time and effort after cooking. This ANEDER Frying Pan with Lid Skillet feels sturdy, and the lid helps trap heat and steam, so your food cooks evenly and stays moist, like a gentle hug for your dinner. This wok pan works on different kinds of stoves. It's happy on electric, induction, and gas cookers. That's super handy if you ever switch stoves or have different equipment at home. The size is just right for cooking for yourself or a small family. It doesn't take up too much space on the stovetop or in your cupboard. The ANEDER Frying Pan with Lid Skillet is also deeper than some other pans. This means less oil splashing when you're frying, keeping your stovetop cleaner. Plus, the depth is great for making dishes with more ingredients, like a hearty stew. Overall, this ANEDER Frying Pan with Lid Skillet is a solid choice for everyday cooking. It's not fancy equipment, but it gets the job done well. It heats up nicely, and the nonstick works as it should. While it might not come with extra pads or a set of cooking books, it's a reliable pan for the price. It helps transfer heat evenly, so your food cooks without hot spots. If you're looking for a simple and dependable wok pan, this one is worth considering for your kitchen supplies. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8" frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8" frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: includes a lid, multi-purpose use, all stove types, detachable handle, oven safe, deeper design, durable iron, even heating. Cons: uneven heating, warping, nonstick wears off, lid shattered, coating may peel, not very durable, handle feels loose, might be too heavy, small cooking area, handle not oven safe. Features: nonstick surface, includes a lid 10-inch size, wok-style pan, for stir-frying, induction ready, electric stove use, gas stove use, carbon steel, deeper pan. This ANEDER Frying Pan is a 10-inch wok-style pan made of carbon steel. It has a non-stick surface and comes with a lid. This pan is deeper than regular frying pans, which means less oil splashing when you cook. It can be used on electric, induction, and gas stoves. It's good for stir-frying and other cooking methods. The non-stick coating helps food not stick, and the lid can help keep heat and moisture in. Carbon steel can handle high heat and can last a long time if you take care of it. The ANEDER 10-inch frying pan with a lid can be used for many cooking styles on all kinds of stoves. And it can even go in the oven if you take off the handle. It has a deep shape and is made of strong iron that heats food evenly. However, some people have had problems with the nonstick coating wearing out, the lid breaking, the coating peeling, and the pan not lasting very long. The handle might also feel loose. The pan could be heavy, and the cooking area might be small. Also, remember that the handle cannot go in the oven.